Okay, there's a lot of people interested in the Londoner. It's actually June now, so I just want to capture all the updates. I know a lot of people can't come into Macau because of the COVID situation, and I'm here, so I might as well film and kind of show you what's going on. So let me kind of show a little bit today, and you can see it as of Friday evening on June 4th, I believe it is. I'll put everything in the corner. So stay tuned. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are at the Londoner. You have these are the guys right here, soldiers, big tall hats, guns, military. And of course you have this right here. And I'm just going to kind of go through. Zara, got some, these stores have been here for a while. So there's, this was the Sands before it became the Londoner. So they basically rejuvenated quite a bit, and some of the shops are still here, like Zara. That was here when it was Sands. Now it's officially Londoner, so they kind of rechanged some things. I don't remember if that was there before or not. I think that Dynasty 8 was there before, but there's definitely some new stuff like Cheesecake Factory and Shake Shack. I think a couple of American chains that are quite pricey and quite popular. Nice parks down there. There's flowers up here. More Zara. And this casino is connected with, what's the name of those two? Parisian and Venetian. Okay. There's a lobby that has that. Kind of debating how much I'm going to show you. It's by the way, it's also 9 o'clock, about 9:30, I believe, something like that. And just for reference, casinos in Macau are quite different than Las Vegas, and so the 24/7 is different as well. I think the casinos are 24/7, but these shopping areas usually close down about this time. So when you see people around them, it's kind of unusual because usually they'll close down. So don't expect, actually in general, there's quite a few people here. For being 9:30 or whatever it is, I'll put the exact time downstairs. Lululemon, there's Shake Shack down there. So I think what we'll do, we'll just kind of walk in here a little bit, and then we're going to just kind of show you how this connects to the Venetian and Parisian. Ed Hardy, it's quite popular. Some London phone booths, those red ones down there. And you kind of get some Londoner themed stuff already right here. And if you follow this down, all the way down, it goes down to Venetian. I'm not sure how far down I'll go. I think I'll just try to see if I can film the windows. There's a lot of construction outside, so you can get a sense of those windows are blocked. I guess I don't want people to see those windows are open, so I can come around on that side in a minute. Yeah, you can see some of the stuff Parisian is up there. Some Londoner phone booth stuff. Yeah, all that stuff is blocked. Team Lab. Let's just see what we can see. So this is locked. So yeah, that's construction right there. If you can see that. There's a Venetian right there. So I'm just putting the camera up to the window, so you can see the Cotai Strip, and you can see all the construction. So there's just massive amounts of construction. So it's not even worth going out and filming it. But I think on the other side we'll see more Churchill's, Londoner. So there's a little thing right here. So yeah, these are all locked up right now. This side looks better. Looks like they have most of it ready now. Still looks like there's a big bend that's being built. Pretty cool. That could be our thumbnail right there, I think. The Londoner update. Okay. So we're gonna head back on into the Londoner, and I can definitely feel more stuff. There's the Londoner welcome. There's always more stuff to see, but I just kind of want to give you a little taste of what's going on in here anyways. I'm sure I'll be filming in here again. Venetian in the background, part of the Cotai Strip. So here's the entrance to the Londoner. I think today I'm just going to keep it kind of short. I'm going to go in a little bit, but I don't want to film too much, but I do want to give a little bit of a taste of it. I do have some other stuff of the Londoner. I think for the most part it doesn't look like it's changed that much since the last time I was here. A little bit more construction is a little bit further along. So anyways, another little taste of the Londoner. Curry flow. Oh, this is new. I didn't see this before. Bellissima. Let's see how big the popular Shake Shack is. I'll show you some of these too. Got some of these characters. Downing Street. I guess that's a British store, first Lord of the Treasury. Cat in the window. Nice detail, British flag. Okay, that's Shake Shack, so it looks like it's kind of busy. Looks like all the seats are taken as usual. So that doesn't change too much. Let's see, yeah, looks like there's a couple seats that are available. And I think we're going to end it there. They're still kind of doing some construction. There is a downstairs lobby there. I might even go into Shake Shack, I think. So, okay. So that's a little bit of London, a little taste of it. Yeah, let's go into here and see. You can see the prices of things as well. There's some unique tourist stuff as well. T-shirts, magnets, things like that on that shelf right there. And I guess we'll end it right there. Put stuff here. Dice games, cards, tic-tac-toe, t-shirts.